Hello and welcome back to the AB Tutor channel. Today I'm going to talk about the registry policy effect. This effect can be used to apply specific registry key settings to Windows machines, allowing you to apply the sort of restrictions or options that are normally applied through group policy. This offers a more user-friendly interface, allowing smaller schools which may not have a full Active Directory setup to fill in some of the gaps and easily configure a large number of computers at once. It also allows these policies to be quickly applied and removed without needing input from the IT department, giving teachers more flexibility while still allowing normal Active Directory use. This policy certainly isn't intended to replace Active Directory, but can be a very useful addition to it. The policy contains a large number of options, each of which can be selected or deselected individually. Options range from obvious security items, such as disabling the control panel or individual control panel applets, to look and feel options, such as disabling the screensaver or preventing the last user's username from showing on the logon screen. You can also block or hide various drive letters, making them disappear from the File Explorer. The registry options are very powerful and can have unintended side effects, so we recommend that this policy effect is only used by experienced users and preferably after checking what the specific registry policies you're working with will do. We also strongly recommend that you thoroughly test any registry policies before applying them en masse across your site. As with all AB Tutor policies, these can be applied permanently to your devices so that users will always be affected. They can be applied temporarily when a console user wishes them to work, or applied based on conditions such as who is using the computer, what network it's on, or what time of day or week it currently is. For more information on specific registry policies, we recommend searching Microsoft's documentation, as the effects will be exactly the same as if applied through Active Directory group policy. If you have any questions about applying a registry policy, or about any other parts of the software, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com. Thanks for watching.